dun sa binabalak ni Rico, Iha. I'm all for it.
He seems to be very nice, eh? At saka ang sabi mo, he loves you very much. At mahal mo rin siya, hindi ba?
Yeah. Natatanda mo bang sinabi mo sa akin noon? Nung inuudyakan mo akong mag-asawa, ang sabi mo noon, grab the happiness while the grabbing is there. Ha? Pues ang masasabi ko sa'yo, grab the happiness while the grabbing is there.
Ay, naku, Mami. Hindi na ako son salsa ngayon. LA walk na, ganito.
LA walk.
Darating. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Mami. I think I'll grab the happiness. Okay? Okay.